What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and y'all see the title, man. Y'all see the title. Y'all like, Jay, it's been a while, man. I know it, y'all. It has been a while, but today, getting a new whip. We're getting a new whip today. It's gonna be delivered. I'm about to go handle the business now, and go straighten him out for it. Then he's gonna bring it, deliver it. So I can't wait for y'all to see it, man. This gonna be one I pour my all into. It's gonna be one of them ground up, pour my all into, kind of like we did with Dolo. So, man, I'm about to enjoy this. I'm super excited. I'm telling you, I'm super excited, boy. I can't, whew. Super excited, man. But I'm about to go handle this business. I got a couple carburetor kits to pick up. Well, one. And a vacuum hand pump and all that, cause I've been knocking carburetors out today too. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get this rolling, and I'm excited for y'all to see what it is. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. So checking in. So we made it back from the parts store. Had to pick some stuff up. Had to get an Elderbrock kit. About to tear down another one of my Elderbrocks and rebuild it, cause people be wanting them 600s and all that. Excuse me. But I'm gonna show y'all this. So y'all see this, the D is done. Can't show y'all what it is yet, but y'all see that. The deed is done, man. We done handled the business. So it should get brought over here today and save me some time. So when it pull up, I'm gonna show y'all, man. And we're gonna talk about what the plans is for and all of that too, man. So you know. But for now, I'm finna get in here, tear down the Elderbrock carburetor. Cause that's what I do through the day, man. I be having to keep the carburetor business going and all that. So y'all stay tuned. And the pack has touched down, man. The pack has touched down. I thought the pack was gonna touch down tomorrow. Cause he said either this evening or first thing tomorrow morning. So the pack has touched down, man. Hey, boy. Woo. I said, hey, it's healed now. It's healed, man. So hey, I'm feeling pretty good. It's sitting in my driveway right now. So look, man, they're gonna be a little short vlog and stuff, but I just gotta keep y'all up to date. Boom. Hold on, let me work y'all out. There it is right there. Nah, I just yeah. But look at Train Smoke looking good. I'm gonna tell y'all something. Train Smoke was about to be gone, man. Guy wanted to trade with me, and I was gonna go for it, but I think he got cold feet on it. He came to me with the trade and stuff, but I get it. I understand. I think he got cold feet on it, so I was like, Train Smoke still might. Hey, somebody can get Train Smoke now if they want it, but I mean, it ain't got to go. I ain't pushing to sell it, but somebody can get it if they want it. They'll call. This right here, yeah, this the one. This the one. So look, man. I know everybody, every time I get a new car, I know what everybody always say. I know what y'all think it is. Cause y'all always do it. So look, let me go right here. I'm gonna show y'all that right there. Look at that. Ooh, hold on, let me show y'all the back. Ooh, you see that right there, so you know what that means. All right, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all, man. I'm just teasing them right there. Wife out here taking them out. Hey, look at that dusty Air Force One. Look at their feet, y'all. Look at their feet. All right, I guess I'm gonna start playing with y'all, man. So on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Oh boy. Hey. Tell you got another rigger. I got another rigger, y'all. I got another rigger, man. But I like riggers, man. I'm sorry, I just like riggers. But I got another. Look at that. It's a limited. But bam! Look at him, baby. I got me one. Hey, wait, whoo, I got one, y'all. Y'all know I want one of these, man. Y'all know this the real one. This the one I really want. Y'all know my dream car specifically. I know I like Rigger, but the T-top Rigger, a convertible 73. I don't know why people were shocked when I got rid of Don't Gang. I like 73, but a convertible. Just like I said, train smoke and go now. But this ain't leaving. I'm finna take this out the frame. Oh, I done tried to call Jesse already. I ain't get him, but I tried to call him. And it's a limited. I got 2 limiteds now. That's a limited. That's a limited. You see the symbol there, what I tell you about? Yeah. A train smoke. Yeah. I got a Regal Limited T-top. I got one. You best believe. I'm telling you, I already tried to call Jesse. I like Jesse. I need to take it out of the frame. Seriously, I tried to call Jesse before the car even made it here. I did for real. I tried to call him. I'm finna take this out of the frame. And cause they're gonna be a forever car. And y'all don't know the news either. I ain't even tell y'all, but I gave wifey R&B. That's hers for real. That's her car now. Yes, I'll be driving. It ain't mine, so don't say Jay. That's your seriously. That's her car. That's. So she got 2 G body. I got 2 G body, 2 boxes. Matching 2 Regals, 2 boxes. She got Monte Carlo Cutlass and Mustang. The Cutlass is her because she ain't never had nothing with some rims and stuff on it, and she used to it. Which I mean, it been in my mind to give her that car. I said, let me let her get, acclimated with the power and stuff. She comfortable, so I like that's her car, man. That one I don't drive nothing. That's hers. When the driveway get done, I'm sure she'll be driving. Which our guy, man, he just going through it, man. He going through it. Equipment been messing up, truck messed up, motor blew up. It just so we just hope he get together and everything. We ain't sweating it. But I got one. Oh boy, top side. And y'all know I'm putting a man in there. Now y'all gonna see me do a G-body with some pressure. Y'all gonna see me do a small lighter car with some pressure. I got me a T-top, boy. Man, y'all just don't know the feeling. Then it needs some interior, but I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. This car meant to be mine, car. I knew what it car was at. And he told me when he first, I'm gonna have you one coming. OG in the racing game, man. He's gonna have you one coming. Look at that joke. It needs some seats in and stuff. But look at that center console, flow shifter car. It's on, man. I promise you. Y'all, it been a long time since we did a build from this point. BCG fan. Dolo would have won. That's why y'all love Dolo so much. But man, I done got me a T-top. I'm finna get this to ASAP. I already told wife I'm finna get that front end. Y'all know I'm particular about that. So I'm about to order this, fill this in, make the front end look like something. And then this a 86, 85 style grill. I like the 87. How you know you got that thick chrome right there? I'm gonna get an 87 grill on it, put on it. But look at it. Oh yeah, boy, we finna do it. We about to do it. I'm gonna wash this baby up tomorrow just to see. Y'all finna see some vlog coming with this. Cause it's a lot of little stuff I gotta do. And the car was wrecked. So my OG, he put it back together, man. And he had told me, he said, Jay, it wrecked. He told me back last year. He said it wrecked, but when I get it ready, I'm gonna let you know. He had let me know. I told him, so I said, hey, give me a couple weeks. I'm gonna come see you. And here it is, man. I mean, he told me, I came and I looked at it. I said, it's all good. But it need a bolt because the frame was bent. He put it on a whole nother G-body frame. So it need a bolt right there in the rear end. He just told me that. It need 2 body bushings up front. But I said, I ain't worried about none of that because I'm going to Lawless. Just to pull out the frame. We're gonna replace all that. Make sure everything. Rear end I ain't worried about no way. Cause I'm gonna put aluminum 9-inch in it, just like I got in Meats. Same rear end I got in Meats going to here. And this joke here gonna be dead ready. True street car. True street car. I don't know what kind of power add or what I'm gonna do for the engine just yet, but y'all know it's gonna be right. It's gonna be right, whether it's small block or I don't even want to do no big block. If I do a big block, it just be too much. If I do a big block in this car, it's gonna be all horsepower. NA car. Y'all see how I get down, man? Like a mad scientist when I really put my brain to it and think stuff out. And if I do a big block combo for this and a car this light, I already know. So I just do something NA. And we still gonna be able to push it around. This car gonna be nice, clean. Gonna have a cowl hood. We get Glass Tech to hook me up something on the hood. And this joke, I promise you. J Hall on the paint. I got it all. I'm telling you, I'm calling everybody. I'm put new T-top seals up here. Man, it shouldn't be on. We got us a T-top. And y'all know this really is one of my dream cars. So now I done secured one for real. And boy, my mind, whoo. So we got us a T-top Regal, finally, BCG fam. Official T-top Regal, man. I'm finna go crazy on this. I'm finna go crazy on this, boy. I'm telling y'all, just don't know. Bucket seat, flow shifter car, Regal Limited T-top. Man, it's finna be on and pop. I promise you. Gonna have twins, double trouble. Double trouble. Like I said, I ain't pushing the train smoke, but it can't go cause I got it. This the one that ain't going. This, I'm gonna tell y'all what level this one on. This right here with Meats, it ain't going nowhere. This right here with Meats and Dolo, they ain't going nowhere. So yeah, man, this quick little update. I want to show y'all, keep y'all in the loop, let y'all know we got something new in effect. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.